Hey everyone, I'm back here with some questions of active and passive voice I have written here, and I'm telling you, if you have watched my last videos of active and passive voice, then these questions is very easy for you to solve one by one. So let's get started. And another thing I'm telling you, if you have remembered the rules, you have to remember anyhow. I have given the structure in my last videos. If you haven't seen, then go and watch all the videos. Then these questions is really very easy for you to solve. Okay, so one by one we will solve together. Let's get started. So first one I have written here, she had washed the clothes. So first thing you have to do, you have to find out, or you have to point out the sentence is in which tense. She had washed the clothes. तो ये कौन से टेंस में है आपका? पास्ट परफेक्ट, राइट? had verb 3 must be past perfect. So what you have to do when you have to convert active voice into passive voice, first of all you have to find out the object and you have to make the object as subject. That is what we will do now. Okay, so what is the object here? Here the object is the clothes, right? So we are writing first the clothes. The clothes, done. So the clothes, after the clothes what we have to use? We got the object. Then what is the structure? Had been verb 3 we have to use. The clothes had we have to use then. The clothes had been, already verb 3 as it is in past perfect tense, the verb is already in verb 3 form. So that is what we have to write there. We no need to change in verb. The clothes had been washed then by whom? What is the subject here? See, and I have told my last videos, if the subject is in this form, then when we are going to change it into object form, it will change a little bit. So she will change into her. I have told it in my last videos. I am telling you again and again. If you haven't watched that videos yet, then go and watch. This videos is really very easy for you. Okay. So it will be, she will be changed into her, as it became the object. Here the she is subject. Now it changed into object. Done. We got the passive voice. Okay. So another thing here, Rina employed 300 men. So what we have to find out? Same thing. The sentence is in which tense? Rina employed 300 men. Rina subject, employed verb to 300 men, object. So the sentence is in simple past tense, right? So here, as we are going to change it into passive voice, we have to find out the object, and the object is 300 men. Okay, 300 men. Okay, 300 men is in plural. Is the plural subject or singular? Men, man is the singular one, men is the plural one. 300 men means it is the plural subject. Now we took the object and we made it subject, and now we have to recognize if the object is singular or plural. It is plural, so we have to use where, because the sentence is in past simple tense, right? 300 men, 100 men were, 300 men were employed, verb 3 we have to use. 300 men were employed by whom? By Rina, right? By Rina. So I have told you, in when you are going to change active to passive voice, the meaning must remain same. There won't be change in the meaning. You just have to you have to make the object as subject and subject as object. Okay, that is what you have to do. Okay, so next one is, she is helping me. वो मुझे help कर रही है. तो मतलब उसका जो एक्टिविटी अभी प्रेजेंट में कंटिन्यू है, मीन्स द सेंटेंस इज इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. Am I right? Okay, so next one is, she is helping me. Me used as in the object form. When it will be changed it into subject, it will change into I. So here will be, I have told you if the verb carries ing and if the verb is in present continuous tense, then you have to use being, right? I am being. Here help is the verb. You have to form the verb 3 form of that verb, that will be helped. I am being helped by whom? By she. She will be changed into her. Okay. She is helping me. I am being helped by her. Okay. So the fourth one. You have found the address. You have found the address. So the sentence is in which form? You can pause the video and can guess the sentence is in which form, and you can try to do by your own. Okay. So it will be better for you, for your betterment. Okay. So here you have found the video. You have found the address, right? So the subject verb 3, then the address. It is written here. Means as here verb and verb have and verb 3 used, the sentence is in present perfect tense, right? So that is what we got to know. The sentence is in present perfect tense. The next step we have to do, we have to take the subject, the object as the subject, and the object is the address. The address. The address. Here what will be? Address is singular or plural? Singular. The address has. The address has. And if any sentence is in past perfect or present perfect, you have to use been, right? Here we have done in the first question, had been. Here it will be has been. As the subject is in singular form, we have used has and you have to use been now. The address has been found already. Find is already in verb 3 form. It will be same, found by you. I have told you, you will remain same as you. Okay. So the address has been found by you. Clear? Okay. So the next one. I was learning my lesson. I was learning my lesson. मैं lesson पढ़ रही थी. So it is in past continuous tense. Past में मेरा जो activity है वो continue था. So that is what same thing in present continuous we had done here. I am being helped by her. So here in rest of am or is, am, are, we have to use was, were, and rest will be same. That is what I was learning my lesson. What is the object here? My lesson. My lesson. My lesson. What will be? Plural or singular? Was. My lesson was being. As it is in past continuous tense. There is ing in the verb. That's why we have used here being. My lesson was being learn. What is the verb 3 form of learn? Learn, learnt, learnt. We have to use learnt. My lesson was being learnt by whom? Here it is I. I will change into me. Here I is used as subject. We have to change that into object. So my lesson was being learned by me. Correct? Okay. So the last one. Let's do it. They invite me. First tell me the sentence is in which form or in which tense. They invite me. They do that. Means the sentence is in present simple tense. Right? So same thing we have to do. What is that? What is this object here? Me. Me will change into I. So I. What auxiliary we have to use after I? It will be am. I am invited. Invite, we have to use verb 3 of this given verb. Invite, invited, invited. I am invited by. They, subject. Them will be object. I am invited by them. Done. So this is all before you. Thank you all for watching my video and keep watching. And I must say, if you will be stick on watching all these videos and after that you will do some exercises, your grammar will definitely be perfect, will be much better than before. So thank you all for watching. Take care.